two best friends.
This is Killer, Super Dash, and Frozen.
We hope you enjoy our show.
So make sure to sit back and relax because this is going to be a long one. And we hope you like our show. And we will see you soon. Goodbye! Hi, do you want to go on a picnic?
Yeah, sure. Do you want me to call Frozen?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, you want to go on a picnic, Frozen?
Yes, I will be there at 2 p.m.
Okay.
2 p.m. Hi, it's 2 p.m. Hi, I can't pick anything to wear. Okay, we'll just go to your house.
Okay, bye.
Wait, my house. Ow, my fin!
Are you okay?
Oh no, the house is on fire! My fin is so sore!
Okay, we need to help Frozen too.
Hurry up already! I can't move my body!
Okay, I can't help you because Frozen might die. You won't.
It's okay, the fish are helping me. Right, can you help me now? Super Dash, where are you?
I'm here. Can you see me?
No, what about you, Killer?
No. What's happening to our house?
I don't